It's the right color, right consistency, looks good, and tastes good. That's your simple smoothie. 5-ingredient smoothie for a meal prep work week. Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we give quick tips to help you with your everyday life. I'm Joel, and in this video I'm going to show you a 5-ingredient simple smoothie that Rachel and I really enjoy, and we found it easy to make it as a meal prep for our morning breakfast. Not too long ago, Rachel actually listened to a book called Body Love by LeVeque and listened to it on one of the free book apps that we talk about in one of our previous videos, so I'll add the link to that. In that book was this simple smoothie. We started meal prepping this item, and we meal prep on Sunday, and we actually make one smoothie a day for each of us, so for the work week, so we make 10, and they save really well, they're keep in the fridge, they're easy to just grab on your way out the door, so it's really easy to put together. We have a couple of different size containers that we like to use with a couple of different styles of lids, and it's all from the NutriBullet. It makes it real simple to make this smoothie. The 5 simple ingredients are almond milk, spinach, powdered protein, chia seeds, and avocado. The almond milk is unsweetened original, and just note that the almond milk can change the flavor of your smoothie, as well as the powdered protein. The powdered protein that we like to choose is this Orgain organic powdered protein. You can pick it up on Amazon and or Costco, and we do pick it up at Costco due to the fact that Costco runs a sale usually, and the sale is about $6 to $7 off the original price, and they have a limit of 6 that you can buy, which is cool because we buy the 6 and we stock up, and it lasts for a while. So the powdered protein is a good choice. We like this one. The powdered protein and the almond milk can change the flavor of your smoothie. So just choose a powdered protein that's good for you. The next is spinach. Any type of spinach you like, and we use baby spinach from our local grocery store. And next we choose chia seeds, and the chia seeds you can pick up anywhere, and then the avocado, of course. So I like to start with the spinach, so let's start. So the spinach calls for 1 to 2 handfuls, which is 1 to 2 cups. So I usually put the spinach at the bottom, running out of spinach, but that's okay, we've got more in the fridge. But that's about 1 to 2 handfuls and 1 to 2 cups. Then next I'll get the powdered protein. And our powdered protein calls for 2 scoops. So I'll add the 2 scoops. Next I'll add the chia seeds, and the chia seeds calls for 2 tablespoons, and this scooper is just about the 2 tablespoons that we look for. So I throw in just a little bit extra. And next is the avocado, and the avocado calls for 1/4 of an avocado. And lastly, I'll put in the almond milk. Now, I like to shake up the almond milk because some of it does settle, and I like to pour it last due to the fact that the powdered protein, once it gets a little wet, it does start to clump up, and the chia seeds start to stick also. So you want to run the smoothie, or you want to blend it as quickly as possible once you put the milk in. A side note, the NutriBullet has 2 different blades. The 2 blade, and then this one is the 6 blade. I like to run the 6 blade so it cuts up the spinach into smaller pieces. So I'll pour in the almond milk, and it's about 2 cups. There is a guide on the NutriBullet cups, and it has a max line, so I usually fill it up to the max line, and or on the small cups it has a max line, but I fill it a little bit higher than the max line because I like to pack mine in there quite a bit. And then we'll blend it. Usually it takes about 20 seconds or so whenever you're blending it. So at the top there's no clumping, so that was a good one. Now we can enjoy it. Yeah, it's the right color, right consistency, looks good, and tastes good. That's your simple smoothie, 5-ingredient smoothie for a meal prep work week. Again, we line 10 of them up, fill them up, and it doesn't take that long to make this, but it's easy on the go. Pick up in the fridge on your way out the door. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and then click subscribe if you want to see more of these videos from the Family of 5 Quick Tips. Each week, Rachel and I like to leave you with a positive quote, and this week's positive quote is, "Believe you can and you're halfway there" by Theodore Roosevelt. Remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.